Jebsen Jessen Southeast Asia Group is slightly more than 100 years old. We have 7 business units: chemicals, telecommunications, marketing, material handling, packaging, life sciences, industrial technology. We have in total 2,700 employees within the 7 businesses in Southeast Asia today. The Jebsen Jessen Group decided on going onto the SAP platform in 1998, and out of which the birth of a company called Electra to support the whole IT system for the Jebsen Jessen Group was started off, and with the intent of having one unified system for the group. And we today have in Electra about 60 staff. We support close to 1,500 SAP users in the region. The business processes that we have to support is already unique and diverse. So information flow for the 7 different businesses itself is a major requirement and a major task for us to handle. We have to keep ourselves updated with the latest SAP platform. At that juncture as well, we were looking at upgrading our hardware and our database. We made this decision to go on DB2, and together with DB2, we also did our ECC 6.0 upgrade. Jebsen Jessen had looked at a couple of databases at that point of time. We were already using Informix. Options to move towards DB2 was natural. For one, because SAP itself runs, SAP as a company itself runs DB2 as backend. We also did some benchmark studies from Microsoft SQL versus DB2, and we found that I think DB2 was the right platform to support our kind of businesses. We were one of the first few in Asia to embark on this ECC 6.0 upgrade. We had a lot of considerations when we do this migration. We had to look at how we can do it with very little downtime, no interruption to the business. We had a planning team that worked together very closely with IBM to look at all aspects of details and had a very tight migration plan. Actually, there was 2 phases in the whole migration. First was the version upgrade from 4.6c to ECC 6.0, and when we did the second part of the migration towards Unicode, we had some technical challenges, and that was quickly overcome with expert help of IBM and SAP. For the migration towards DB2, we looked at a couple of key factors as our ROI, returns on investment. We looked at performance of the system. We looked at the ability to deploy new technologies on DB2. And of course, the support given by IBM as well in the whole process. Just like any investments, the Jebsen Jessen Group, the board members also look towards what kind of TCO and ROI. There was at least a 50% performance gain just from our business warehouse servers. We also were able to roll out new applications supporting the SAP's new eSOA technology on DB2 as well. And we had launched a project on e-warranty in one of our business divisions in Thailand, and it had worked, no issues on the DB2 platform. We have harnessed the power of DB2 in terms of the way it's optimized information, processing of information, the speed, the response time. It has also put us on a platform to embrace new technology like eSOA, mobility solutions. Prior to the migration, it took us about 24 hours to process our BW data. Today, we actually have done it within 8 hours, and that's easily more than 60% savings. Having a unified SAP system running on DB2 has actually given us the power where we can actually access information, we can consolidate information, and we can give one single of truth to any of our users or management of the 7 businesses. The Jebsen Jessen Group are very particular about supporting the green movement. We are looking at how we optimize the usage of power. And so when we were looking at how we move towards DB2, and because of the way DB2 optimizes, uses less power, it supported the whole group's cause of being green. Our experience with IBM had been very good. I think they're very customer focused, supported us on all demands, requirements that we had throughout the whole evaluation process. We actually had IBM to help us in the whole move towards our new data center and designing it and all. We had a very good migration experience. We did it all on time. The team was very professional. The experience with IBM has been very pleasurable. I think DB2 was the right platform to support our kind of businesses.